back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Said special deal on the Mountaineer 50 shirts. Zachary Denton in the D11. Bill Pritchett Jr. in that 33 machine. Corey Willard, Dale Cox, Chad Lilly, Stone Webb in the 13, and Kenny Crawford. That's your field, and we'll work down into turn number 3, coming back for lap number 1 here in this Legends Heat Race, the first of what should be, I believe, 2 of these heats. Bill Pritchett Jr. in a 33. And actually in the 1933 showing up, of course. So the 19 of Pritchett. Three rows, 2 cars deep, NXT Legends, heat race number 2. Let's see if we can get, of course, a great start as they're going to roll down into turn number 3 and 4. A slow rolling kind of start. As they'll work off the corner. Green flag in the air. Travis Mills into that 30, going to bring him down into the corner. Can he hold the lead? He has it. Oh, contact. We've got one around. Caution is out. No laps complete. We will set their field through these heat races. Nobody locked in at all. 24 cars started the show. 30 took time during qualifying. Green flag going to fly. And we're going to try and take number 2 here on this initial start. Travis Mills in the 30 has the lead battle now down the drag strip down the from back straightaway there. Going to be between the 4S and the regular 4 machine. Sammy Jasper going to fall back now to 3rd. Brandon Hager in that number 4 machine. Going to move up to 2nd. He's got the orange number. Of course, that looks like a 45 from here, but it is a 4S. Riding in 3rd there for Sammy Jaspers. Then you have Wayne Hughes. Oh, Jaspers gets big time loose. He'll get back on the throttle. We'll stay green, but he'll go all the way to the tail of the field there for Jasper. Travis Mills. 2 laps to go. Popsicle sticks by our flagman at the flag stand. Brandon now in a distant 2nd position, and then it's going to move, of course, the veteran Wayne Hughes in the 18 machine up to 3rd. White flag going to fly on Travis Mills as he continues to work around the back straightaway, and now into turn number 3 and 4 is Travis Mills. Off the corner for the final time. The checkered flag will be in the air. Travis Mills in the 30 going to be your heat race number 2 winner. Brandon Hagan, Wayne Hughes, Dirk Snuffer, Denver Simpson, and Sammy Jasper. Miss Tiffany has those Mountaineer 50 shirts on sale. And when I say on sale, let's pluralize, on sale. Green flag for our sport mods. Harley Martin, Connor New, Wes Hendrickson. It's getting hairy. Contact. Bush able to save it. Keep on the throttle. Harley Martin going to lead lap number 1. Oh, 3 cars around. Make it 4 now. 1 diving through the infield. I believe Connor New may have got him there at the line. So, yep, New going to be our leader there. Green flag, Connor New, Harley Martin, Kenny Meadows. Drayden Rose there in the 5. Contact again. I believe that's the 9. Going to climb the hill of Subtle. Everybody going to keep moving and wheels turning, and we'll stay under green flag conditions. Connor New in the C10 machine, still with the race lead by about a car length over the 22 of Martin. Harley Martin now got it cut down to a couple of feet. He'll look to the inside. New going to slam the doors. Connor New, 2 to go. Martin within striking distance. Then it's the 3 of Kenny Meadows and the 5 of Rose right there as well. Back up front off the corner. It is still going to be Connor New seeing the white flag. 1 trip around. Can he close it out? Super League models to staging. Super League model drivers to staging. Super League models, you need to be in the staging area. Super League models. Connor New, Harley Martin, Kenny Meadows. Rose falling back there to 5th. Matt Canterbury in the 271, going to be 4th. But Connor New picks up the Sport Mod Heat Race over Harley Martin. Great food down at the concession stand. Mozzarella sticks, cheeseburgers, hamburgers, nachos, french fries, that honey baked ham sandwich. I want to thank, of course, the great folks at Honey Baked Ham for sponsoring the Speedway. Green flag in the air. Bryce Ryan going to bring him down with Aaron Carter to his outside. Down into turn number 1. Bryce Ryan going to slide up in front of Carter for the lead. Big wiggle there out of the 51. He'll finally gather it back up. Continuing to stay green out on the racing surface. Bryce Ryan with the lead over Aaron Carter. Jack West and now the 12 of Johnson, Noah Johnson. The 8B of Chris Proctor there at the tail of the field. The 51 of Braxton Klein, the one that had the big wiggle. Bryce Ryan continuing to run that top side. Aaron Carter in the 57. Jack West in that 3rd position. Noah Johnson in 4th. Braxton Klein in 5th. 2 to go. Popsicle sticks. White flag going to fly next time. Super Lake Models final call. Jackie West around in turn 1 and 2. Caution is out. Bryce Ryan at a walking pace down the back straightaway. Aaron Carter there in the 57. The one there of Jackie West going around, so he'll fall to the back of the field. Going to slide up Noah Johnson and Braxton Klein and Chris Proctor. Green flag in the air, the 36 of Bryce Ryan, the 57 of Aaron Carter. And Noah Johnson there. Jack West getting one spot back around Chris Proctor there as they see the white flag. Still Bryce Ryan. Aaron Carter there in the 57 machine. Braxton Klein up to 3rd. Checkers in the air. It is going to be Bryce Ryan, Aaron Carter, Braxton Klein, Noah Johnson, Jack West, and Proctor there at the line to round out your field. But how about Bryce Ryan in the 36? Green up flag in the air. Trenton Salango there in the 18 machine. Meadows in the 3 machine. That's your top two as they work down into turn number 3 and 4 off the corner. Lap 1 now in the books. Big smoking out of the 240 entry. Doing the mosquito fogging up here in the West Virginia valleys. That is Wayne Collins, so of course going to finally dive it down into the infield area. He'll keep it in the pits, and now the 10 going to go a lap down as we see the white flag of in the air there for Kerry Chapel. The 10 of Chapel going a lap down to the race leader, Trenton Salango in the 18. Meadows riding in second. Tyler Meadows, checkered flag. And the Right Way Auto Sales entry. Right Way Auto Center on the 18 there for Salango. I don't know, they might sell you a car as well. Inside row number 2, Freddie Mooney out of Bluefield, West Virginia. 6, Larry Atkins, and the 1 of Cam Perry. That is your field for the Bud Light Street Stocks here in heat race number 2. Green flag in the air. The 6M of Freddie Mooney. Mooney now going to work down into turn number 1. Second out on the Speedway. The 47. Still with the race lead down into the corner. George Pierce going to lead lap number 1 over the 6M of Freddie Mooney. Mooney in second. The 1 of Cam Perry, the man on the march. He's up to third. Perry trying to chase down the 6M of Freddie Mooney. Super Lake Models to staging. Super Lake Models, if you're in a B main and you're going to attempt that B main, we need you in staging now. George Pierce in the 47, still your race leaders. He continues to click them off. White flag here at the flag stand over the 6 of Freddie Mooney. Oh, the leader goes around into the infield. The 47 around and into the infield. Back to the line. No caution yet. Here comes Mooney to the line. He's going to pick up the win. And the 1 machine of Cam Perry starting dead last will go to second. Heartbreak Hotel for Pierce in the 47 as the leader loops it by himself off the exit of turn number 2.